Hello everyone, this is Bill Ash. In this video, I'm going to do Hello World two ways using Python 3.10. Okay, so I'm right now in idle. This is the IDE, which is bundled with Python. And I'm going to start by doing Hello World on this interactive shell, right, at the prompt. So we see these three greater than symbols. That's where we're going to enter the command. I'm going to say print. And then I can use any kind of quote that I like, but I like to use single quotes. It turns out single quotes are just a little safer for strings. So I'm going to use single quotes. And I'm going to say, hello, world, and then put the exclamation because I'm so excited to be doing it, right? Actually, maybe let's do all capitals because we're going to yell, hello, world. There we go. All right, so I hit enter. Boom, hello world, exclamation. So what the print function does is it takes everything that's between the quotes and it sends it to standard output, which is what goes right here. Okay, so print, left parentheses, insert your string, hello world, closing parentheses, and you're done. So that's hello world the first way. Python does a super great job at facilitating this hello world. It can't get any easier than that. All right, the next way is to use a script. So I'm going to say a new file. I'm going to save that file on my computer somewhere, and I'm going to call it hello world. Maybe I'll put a underscore, going to use some Python naming conventions here. So hello underscore world, save that file. And when I run this file, what I want it to do is just output hello world to the console, right? So to do that, I can actually just use that print statement again. I can say print, single quotes, hello world, exclamation, and all caps, just like before. Since I'm making a script file, I might as well add a little bit more to this file. So maybe for people who might see this later, maybe I'll want to add a comment. So this hello world is by William Ash, and it's the best one ever. Maybe if I want to say like when I made it 12, 27, 21. There we go. All right. So when I save this and run it, we should get the same thing. Hello world. Okay. If I find this file in my folders, so let's say I go Python tutorials, and if I click on hello world.py, it opens up and it closes so fast you can't even see it, right? So what if I wanted to see that on the command line? Like what could I add to just kind of make it so that it will wait for me so I can see hello world show up in my command prompt, right? So let's go back into that file. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tell Python to wait for my input. So an input is just, interacting with the keyboard, pressing enter, right? So I'm going to put this line here, input, like that. And I'm going to say ask equals input. And what this is going to do is it's going to create this variable ask, and then it's going to wait for the input from the user. Okay, so it's just going to sit there and wait. When I enter something and press enter, so when I press anything on the keyboard, press enter, it will then finish and the screen will go away. So it's just press any key basically to end, right? So I'm going to save this, run it again. Still works the same. But if you notice, it actually sat there and it waited for input before it ended. So if I go back in my file and I click on hello world now, we'll see now it's showing up in command prompt, hello world right there. Actually, that's not command prompt. Yeah, that's not command prompt, but it's trying to run it there. If I did open it with command prompt, let's do that. So let's just go cmd. I'm already in my documents folder. So I'm going to go change directory to desktop. And then I'm going to change directory to Python tutorials. And then I'm going to say, hello, Python. I want you to run hello underscore world dot py. Hello world. There it is. So having that in a script is kind of cool because now I could run that from command line if I really wanted to. So that's pretty cool. So that's it. That's hello world 2 ways with the bonus added of showing you that you can run these things from command line too. Notice it's just waiting for me to finish now. So it ends after I hit enter. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope that was interesting. Now I've done my hello world. So thank you for watching.